How to send money with MoneyGram app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can send money with MoneyGram app. So first of all, just download the free MoneyGram online money transfer app. It is available on Play Store and Google Play. So just go ahead and download the application in your smartphone, and after that just log into your account. And if you don't have an account, just create a new one and enter your information so you can verify your identity. And after that, tell the MoneyGram about your receiver to which you want to send the money and how much money you want to transfer to that particular receiver. And after that, just choose your payment method. You can pay by card, wire transfer, direct from your bank account, or with cash at a location. And after that, just complete your transaction and review all the details and make sure if there is any editing required, just do that. And after that, just click on send and complete your transaction. So this is how you will be able to send money with your Telegram app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.